This is a message to all my supporters of this podcast. I'm introducing a new supporters program. You can contribute a small amount as a one-off payment to show your love for this podcast. Thank you in advance for all your contributions. Hi everyone, this is Mark Hayward from the Absolute Business Mindset podcast. Today I'm going to talk about optimism and pessimism. So this is a very layered subject, but I'm going to make it quite simple for you for this quick podcast. So as for myself, I would definitely put myself in the optimist category. I like to see the best in people. I like to view things positively and approach things with a smile on my face as much as I can. And definitely it's something which I would approach, and I try to approach most situations in an optimistic and positive outlook. So I think a lot of people are too pessimistic or too negative, which can often mean that you don't see opportunities or are not open to opportunities, which can then damage your future business, your future career, your future life. But this optimism is not blind naivety. I think instead of using pessimism, where a lot of people, as I've just described, people are, I would say that I have a realistic tint, a pragmatic tint to my optimism. I don't take fools gladly. I don't go into situations completely blinded by optimism. I do realise there are people in this world which want to take you down, that want to criticise you, want to troll you, and that is just the way of the world. You have to accept that. So I would say that I'm not naive, but I'm pragmatic and I'm realistic to go with my optimism. I will want to go into something with an optimistic viewpoint, but equally I do realise that some people do not who want to take you down, and therefore a pragmatic view is definitely required to be able to be successful in business. So that's just a quick my thoughts on the difference between the two and my approach to it. I'd be really interested to hear whether you think a more pessimistic view of the world with business, with politics, with life, that life is actually more pessimistic than I perhaps view it. Please do feedback on absolutebusinessmindset@gmail.com. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this subject, and if you've got any thoughts on what you'd like me to talk about, or what you would like me to, who you'd like me to interview, then please